Привет! It's Russian Pie with you again, and today I'm going to show you verbs of motion because, well, they're verbs of motion. Готовы? Тогда за мной!
Бежать is one of the so-called verbs of motion in Russian. It means to run. Я бегу. I am running. Ты бежишь. You are running. When you бежишь, you normally move faster compared to when you're walking. Remember that in Russian we don't have continuous and simple tenses. Continuous being the tense that focuses on the moment, performing the activity, and being temporary, and simple focuses on the frequency and the main idea. What are you doing and what do you do will sound absolutely the same in Russian. Что ты делаешь? So you can think of the verb бежать as the continuous form. We use it to focus on the process of running, literally moving your legs fast. The verb бежать changes and its form depends on the person who is running. Он, она бежит. And you would say они бегут. In this video, I won't be explaining the verb conjugation because you can check out these amazing grammar chants and practice verb conjugation with Tamara, my lovely colleague from Netherlands.
Он идет. Он идет.
Now let's have a look at when we normally use the verb бежать. Бежать марафон, run a marathon. Ты бежишь марафон в этом году. Are you running this year's marathon? Бежать сломя голову. Run like hell. That would be an idiom. Что ты бежишь сломя голову? Why are you running like hell? Бежать кому-то. Run to someone. Беги ко мне, маленький, беги, хороший. Run to me, my little one. Run to me, my dear. Бежать от проблем. Run from one's problems. Он просто бежит от своих проблем. He's just running from his problems.
Я бегу!
Yes, I'm literally running in this video, but I could be walking as well and still tell my friend that я бегу. You don't have to be running to say that you're running if you mean I'm coming and I'm trying to reach you ASAP. Itsy is another verb of motion that we use to describe the action of walking, moving your legs in a normal pace. Я иду, I am walking. Ты идешь, you are walking. This verb is also about the moment of doing it. Идти means walking towards a person or a place or going somewhere or to someone. We normally don't use it to talk about our regular trips to Пятерочка. Пятерочка is a popular supermarket chain famous for cheap prices and infamous for out-of-order AC when it's plus 30 outside. Yes, we do have hot summers. This verb also changes its form depending on who is performing the action. Он, она идет and they идут. Also check out Grammar Chants with Tamara for the verb conjugation of Itsy. Now let's have a look at when we normally use the verb идти in sentences. Идти на работу, go to the office, go to work. Я иду на работу. I'm going to work. I'm going to the office. Идти. Work, sound good, be a deal. Идет. Deal. Идти к кому-то, go to someone. Я иду к Косте на день рождения. I'm going to Kosta's birthday party. Идти кому-то. Suit someone. Мне идут эти джинсы. Do these jeans suit me?
Я иду.
Now, I would like you to ask yourself how many times you said, I'm coming, when you were really lying in bed. I thought so. We do the same thing here. You can say, я бегу, я иду, even when you don't look like doing any of this. You express your intention with иду, and you want to sound like you really mean it with бегу. I don't really like creating a big fuss around the verbs of motion because it just makes them sound intimidating as in verbs of motion. They're verbs and they express motion. And as you work your way up from beginner to advanced, you will be introduced to just more of them and you will learn a little extra something about each of them. Take it easy. Now, give me a big like because I had to wake up on a Sunday morning and run around the town like a crazy woman. And subscribe to my channel, Russian Pie, if you want to see me walking towards places and running across the street and walking across the street, you know. Да? Алло?
Ну ты где?
Да, Ань, я бегу.